Instagram has launched a graduation countdown sticker for the class of 2025, available from May 29th to June 23rd, 2025. Here's how to use it. To begin, open the Instagram app on your phone. Tap the plus icon at the top of your story to start creating a new one. You can take a new photo or video, or select one from your gallery. Next, tap the sticker icon, represented by a smiley face at the top. A variety of stickers will appear. Locate the graduation countdown sticker, typically marked with a graduation cap icon. Tap on it. Now, set the exact date and time your graduation ceremony is scheduled to end. If you want to set a specific end time, disable the All Day option. Otherwise, keep it enabled. The countdown will end at midnight on the selected date. Tap the color palette icon to choose a color that matches your story's theme or your school's colors. Then tap Done in the top right corner to proceed. You can adjust the sticker's size by using 2 fingers and position it by dragging it anywhere on the screen. When you're satisfied with everything, tap your story or close friends to share it. Your story has been updated. Check it out. This sticker helps you celebrate and share your graduation excitement with friends by creating a personalized, visually engaging countdown in your stories. So that's how you can use the graduation countdown sticker on Instagram.